Oh my god, it's so cold. My fingers. I hope you're all well and are keeping warm because it's flipping freezing. I'll just do the chair. I'll get the basket in first. Oh, it's freezing. I've just done the, you know, this sort of like intro little bits, but I had to take my glove off, and honestly, my fingers are so cold. Oh, there's a puddle of water on there here. I wonder if it's frozen. Oh no, that's good. Not frozen water on the work surface. You can probably see it actually. I'm trying a new thing with the camera and it might not work. Let me know what you think. It's slightly wider angle, I think. I was trying to sort of, I was worried about the stabilisation, and I think I learned that it was low light that makes the stabilisation get lost in the camera, because it's trying so hard to pick up something, but because it can't see, it loses the stabilisation, so the camera is very shaky. That was on that very, you know, when I was putting when I lost the SD card, you know, it was so dark. Yeah, I'm hoping today to fix one of the arches at least. I've got to keep an eye on the time because I am going to work after this. I'll put a quick alarm on. Bear with. I thought I should have done this earlier. I did forget. It's amazing how time flies. Yeah. Then I'll know when to, you know, start getting ready for work. Oh, I have coffee. Oh, shall we have coffee first? Oh, do you know what? Let's have a couple of slurps. Oh, everything's back to normal now. So technically, hopefully, bearing terrible weather, I should be here Monday to Friday. All being well. You never know for sure, but it is January, isn't it? There's not a lot going on other than the maintenance. And the weather is, I mean, this is pretty cold, but because of Christmas and New Year downtime, which has been really lovely. I hope you all had a lovely Christmas. I know I've said this before, sorry. I'm repeating myself. I noticed I do that a lot in the edits. Oh, must try and not do that so much. Oh, look. Oh, cheers, everybody. And thanks to everyone who's bought a cup or anything else or a bag. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Oh, yeah. So hopefully shore up that one of the arches, the one that's really leaning. And if I have time, maybe the boysenberry arch. Nobody's here. Woohoo! There's a massive pile of wood chip, which is amazing. I must well, I've got a wheelbarrow full of manure, so I need to empty that before I can fill it up with wood chip. But what I do need right now is cable ties, and scissors, and bamboo canes, and hopefully that will do it. And it will create a frame for the thorn free blackberry bush climber. Yeah, that's the idea anyway. I have noticed when I'm if I'm wearing this coat when I'm filming, etc., it's got a real irritating noise. You just don't see things like that before you know until you do things like film. But it's too cold to take it off, so I apologise in advance. And I always say you should never say sorry for things like this, because it can't be helped, you know, but it can't be helped. Oh, nice. Oh, what I did want to say was David, who's sort of started his own YouTube channel around Milton Keynes. It's like a kind of walkabout, and he's done 2 vlogs so far, and well done, David, honestly. And I know you're really brave, you really are. The first one, if anyone remembers, was the Christmas scene in one of the Milton Keynes malls. I don't know how many you have, you might only have one, but the second one, were walking around sort of a park area, and you were talking to the camera, and that's brilliant, because I would find that difficult. So you're very, very, very good, and it was great. And your camera wasn't shaky. It was really lovely. Really interested to see. And you saw some allotments. Thank you for the mention. I'm going to put a link in the description to David's new allotment, new channel, his little walkabout one. Hopefully, go support him. Please do. Let him know that I sent you over. And he'll he'll really appreciate it, because it's a real brave thing to start up a YouTube channel. And if you think those YouTube channels that look really swish, or have been going for years and have 1 million followers, they all start with, you know, 0 subscribers. So, you know, there's room for so many, and you'll grow. You really will, because once you start, I love it. I really do. And I never thought 5 years ago I would never have done this at all. Absolutely not. So well done, David, and yeah, check him out. Hopefully I've done a little clip of your little walkabout here. You can, you know, yeah, I hope so. So yeah, go check out David. Give him a little supporting subscribe. It's all free, as a lot of you all know. It doesn't cost us a penny, and you know, it'd be fantastic for Dale eventually earn some ad revenue once he hits 1,000, and the watch hours and all that kind of stuff. Yeah. So you're going to go outside in a minute to try and sort that arch out. Scissors, microphone, what else? Is there anything else? I'll try and put this so not so near me, my mouth, that is. Down there, that might do it. That should be all right. Oh, this coffee is lovely. Actually, it has actually warmed me up. Come on, let's go outside, sort out this arch, or attempt to.
not wrong. But I mean, it's cool. And that's the thing, that, you know, we've got a plan in place for the Blackboard. Yeah. I mean, and as it gets higher, I'll add another line. And hopefully I mean, it's not as wonky as it was. Let's have a look from the distance. You see, I mean, that's a lot better. Yeah. Whether it will hold in a big storm is time will tell, but in the meantime, it's stored up and doesn't look like it's about to fall over. So that's good news. I think I'll leave it there, as in no more arches. It doesn't like a face the other arch. I think it's time to look at the wildlife camera. And well, to be fair, this isn't go on yesterday's vlog. And I've got to check the battery, but let's have a look anyway. See you in a minute.
So I've got this powered like this in a USB port. It's one of those I don't know how you describe it, but shaped like that. I've had this lying around. It didn't come. I'm just putting it back in. It didn't come with this, but I mean, people have these in their sort of drawer of doom, you know, a power bank. So I'll just turn it on. That's on. It's on the test mode. I don't know if you can see that. It says off, test, and on. So it's on the test mode in the middle. That says the SIM card's in, and if you put a new SIM card in, that's not that it didn't come with, like, because I lost mine. It wants you to format it. It won't accept it till you've formatted it, which you can do via settings. The current battery status is at 2 bars, which isn't bad. I think it's not picking anything up because the weather's so horrible. That's just the camera showing, you know, like, you know what you're actually seeing. But if you press menu, or maybe not menu, no, go back, go E, press the middle button, and it says 4 up there, and that means it's 4 images. Now that's going to be 2 are going to be me setting it up and taking it off again, and maybe it's me. I think a 3rd one is just now where I've accidentally took a photo, so I don't think I've got anything. Where is the one that I can? Oh, there we go. I don't know how do you press play? Oh, there we go. It's gonna. So it's been triggered probably by the wind. I mean, I don't know how sensitive these are because there's nothing happening. Ooh. I don't know if you can hear that. I don't know what that noise is. I'll have a better look at home. It's be gonna. I don't know how long it's run for. Maybe it's a 5 minute. Can you see? Oh. Next one. I don't know, I can't remember. Oh, so that's 2. That. Let's press play. I think it's. So I think I'll press the middle one again for it to play. So the middle one's like an OK button. And I don't know what set that off. So OK is also a stop button. And the top button there, I'm pretty sure that's my fingers setting it up. Yeah, because there's only 4, it's definitely nothing. I'm going to set it back up before I go, so maybe I'll catch something tonight. Well, I love it, I have to say. It's absolutely fantastic. But as the weather warms up, I'm pretty darn sure that we'll start getting some decent pics, hopefully. And I might start leaving some bit of bait out. If anyone has any ideas what's wise, because I don't want to trap rats. And I'd like to, if I had hedgehogs, I'd like to feed them if they were about, but I don't know yet. Don't really want to leave anything. I'm going to turn this off. Say, well, it's not powered by the battery at the moment. The power bank overrides the batteries when you do this. This is quite useful though. It means I don't have to take it home and check. So I'm going to just turn it off. I really, £23, even without the SD card, which I foolishly lost. That's a bargain. I will definitely get another one. That's fun. I love it. I absolutely love it. It's a real sort of adds something, I think. Interest, you know. Let's see what goes on at night time. Right, I'm gonna What do we need to do? I think that's me really. It's very windy and it's very cold. But I am pleased I've done the arch, so that's progress. Everything's blowing about. It's picking up the wind. Let's see how long this lasts. And looks like there's ice on top of the but very thin ice. Yeah, that will be this maybe I'll do this tomorrow. The surface of the sort of animal shelter to sort of make it waterproof. Well, it's nice with the sun out though, I must say. Well, I think I better get cracking, go to work. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Don't forget to check out David's I Love MK channel. And well done, David, again. I'm really impressed. Yeah, it'd be lovely to give him some support. And I look forward to the next one, David. when you're ready. Don't worry though. There's no rush, because in weather like this, I think it's best to stay indoors. Oh, where's the sun? Yeah. Take care, everyone. See you tomorrow. Bye.